Hi, she. Hi, she. Wait, I can't hear you. Can you try to speak, she?
Hear me?
Yes, it's okay now. Oh, and the sticker is not sleepy. It's the queen.
No. Uh, Today my younger sister is in my house, but I'm not my younger sister.
Oh, okay. That's good. She, did you wake up early today?
I wake up at 11:30.
I was still late, she. So you wait, did you eat your breakfast or lunch directly?
I was eat lunch.
Oh, you're done eating your lunch. What did you eat for lunch, she?
Uh, I eat shrimp, eggs, uh, and chicken.
Oh, okay, that's very yummy, she. Oh, by the way, I'm curious. What about your sister? Does she wake up late too, just like you?
She's wake up later than me.
Maybe 12?
She's wake up 12.
What about your parents, she, your mom and dad?
My mother and my dad wake wake up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, that's very early because they have
Yes,
to go to work.
yes.
Okay, that is why. So who is with you when they have to go to work? She, your grandparents?
Um,
Who takes care of you when your mom and dad have to go to work?
uh, uh, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and uh, they they at home eat on uh, Sunday.
Oh, okay. So they work at home.
Yes.
Okay, I see. That's good. She. But your sister is there with you. Um,
Hello, teacher.
hi. Wait, you don't look the
My name
same.
is Mantu.
What's her English name? She?
Her name is
What? Can
Nuti.
Lucky?
N
Nuki?
N Nuti.
Nuti?
Yes.
That's her English name
Mm,
or Vietnamese?
is home's name.
Oh, okay. Nuti. Okay. A unique name. I only heard of that name just now. Okay, you don't look the same, but you have the same eyes.
No, I don't know why. She's dancing.
You have the same eyes, is she? Same eyes as your sister.
My eye is a little big and her eyes uh
No, your
is
eyes are not
big.
big. No, her eyes are not big, so are yours. It's small. It's cute. You find your eyes big?
I don't know.
Okay. No, they're not. They're not big. Your eyes are not big. Wait, your mom posted a picture. Where did you go on the weekend?
Next weekend.
Yeah,
I,
yesterday and
I guess,
Sunday. I mean, Saturday and Sunday.
I go to Anna.
Oh, I see. That is why. Okay, that's fine, she. So, did you enjoy your time with your family there?
Yes, we go to Danak City because uh uh this, my younger sister uh birthday at uh 31 August.
Oh, okay. So, you
And
celebrated it in advance.
um, but in her birthday, I my family is busy.
Oh, okay. So, we call it. Wait, let me share my screen. You celebrated her birthday in advance.
Bạn đã tổ chức sinh nhật cho cô ấy trước ngày sinh nhật chính thức.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see. So, how many days did you stay in Danang City? 2 days?
Yes, 2 days.
Okay. That's fun, she. Now, going back, let us have family. Okay. In here we have brother. Okay. Now, how about in here, she? Who is he?
Uh, he is older brother. Right?
Yeah, he is my older brother. This is my older brother. Now, what about in here? Who is she?
Uh, he
She,
is the
yeah, she is my sister. What about in here? She,
my younger sister.
okay, she is my younger sister. Now, look at the picture, she, and tell me your answer. I have a younger sister. Is it A or B?
It's picture A.
Very good. It's so cute. Now, I have two older brothers.
Picture A.
Yes, that's right. I have a younger brother and an older sister.
It's picture A. And B.
Yes, it is B. A younger brother and older sister. Now, next one. Look at the picture. We have here a family tree. So, tell me if it is true or false. Wait, let me zoom it out. Okay, Kelly is your grandmother. Okay, this is you, Okay, that is you. So, Kelly is your grandmother. Is it true, she or false?
It's true.
Why is it true?
Uh,
This is you. Here is you. Here you are, she.
what? Oh no, it's false.
Okay, yes, it
Because
is.
Kaylee is my aunt.
Yes, very good, she. Now, Ken is your father.
No, it's false.
Okay, yes. Who is your father then?
Maxwell.
Okay, yes, it is Maxwell. Maya is your sister.
Yes, it's true.
Yes, that's correct. Hope is your mother.
It's false because Hope is my grandma.
Okay, yes, very good. And last one, Walter is your grandfather.
Uh,
It's
it's true.
Yes, that's right. It is true. Thank you. Do you know the word niece?
No,
How about nephew?
no, I don't want to.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, but you know cousin, right?
Yes, I
Okay,
know.
what is cousin? Can you define cousin for me?
Uh, is uh my aunt and my aunt's son are doctor.
Okay, yes, very good. That is right, Okay, now when you say niece, it is a girl. Okay, remember it's a girl. And nephew is the opposite. It is a boy. Like for example, your sister will have a daughter. Okay. She will have a daughter. Wait, girl. Okay, so which means she is your niece. She is your niece because when we say niece, it is the daughter of your sister or your brother. Okay? However, when we say nephew, it is the son of your sister or your brother. Okay. However, right now, you don't have a niece. Okay. You don't have a niece. You don't have a nephew too. Do you get it, or no? Wait, I'll translate it. I'll translate it. This is niece.
Cháu gái.
Oh, no, I don't.
Yes, and this is nephew.
Cháu trai.
Uh, no.
Yes, you don't have. Unless your sister will have a daughter or a son, then that's the only time you will have a nephew or a niece.
Hey, teacher, in
Yes?
Vietnam, some students in my class
Mm-hmm.
have have a niece and nephew, but in Vietnam, uh, some people uh not same not same uh at England or Philippines, but in Vietnam, my uh the this is my aunt's son and sometimes uh aunt son is nephew.
Oh, that's cousin, That is your cousin.
Cousin or sometimes it's no, it's rarely.
Oh, really?
Yes, and Uh, I I I know a little because my friends has nephew and niece.
Oh, and
Yes,
niece. Okay, wait. Let me give you a clear example of it.
but they are 10 years old and uh their their nephew and niece is sometimes uh 15 years old or 15 uh 11 12.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes.
But in here, we only, okay, so this is you, right? Okay, this is she. Okay, let's say you have a brother and of course you have a sister. Okay, your sister has a son. This is her son, and your brother has a daughter. Okay, so you call this baby your nephew. Okay, you call it your nephew, but you call this baby your niece. This one right here, may it be a boy or a girl, you call them your cousins.
Oh, I know. I teacher, my
Yes, I know, just like last time.
I no, my computer is not battery.
Oh, what happened this time? Is it your connection?
I don't know. I I start I'm studying and my computer is off. I'm
Oh,
so scared.
don't be scared, but it's not because of your battery. I don't know, that never happened to me. Okay, so this one, if you are this, you do not call your aunt's son or daughter your nephew or your niece. They are your cousins. Okay, they are your
Oh,
cousins.
I
You own.
I I know. I know. My my best friend have one sister and
Mm-hmm.
her and his sister is so old, a little old because she is uh 28 years old and she have a daughter and
Mm,
and he and
she has.
she And my friend has one niece.
Oh, yes, that is correct, she. That's right. Okay, thank you so much, she. What about me? How old do you think I am?
Uh,
Can you try to guess? Do you think I am old, she?
I think you're 28 years old.
28?
I don't know.
No, I'm not 28. She, I'm 24, she.
Oh my God. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I do, she.
Oh,
But I don't have a son. I don't have a daughter, she.
you, mm, no,
No.
I think you don't have daughter.
Yeah, I don't have a daughter. I don't have a son. Okay. Now
You,
she let
you, you don't have married.
Yeah, I'm not married, she.
Oh, oh,
Okay. Now she let us have this one. Okay, still look at the family tree and can you tell me who is your mother?
it's Monica.
Okay, yes, very good. Who is your father?
Uh, it's Maxwell.
Who is your grandfather? Grandmother?
Mm, it's Tom.
Who is your sister?
Maya.
Who is your grandfather?
It's what?
Yeah, it is Walter. Now let us have this one. We have four differences in total. Can you encircle them?
Oh,
Oh,
oh, it's so hard. Uh,
why? Why is it hard?
I can see this this not same this and I don't know. I don't know topic.
Okay. Now in the first picture, she is older. Okay, she is older. But in the second picture, she is younger.
Oh my God, I see this older.
Oh, no, not older. She not older. In here, she is still young. She's still short. In here, she is tall. No.
Uh, this woman is grandma or our mom, uh, grandma's mom.
Yes, she.
Uh,
That is
the
great
woman
grandma.
is this is grandma.
Yes, this is grandma. This is great grandma.
Oh,
Wait, great grandmother.
I didn't know.
Bà cố,
Oh, oh,
Okay.
she's she's older than this,
Yeah,
or she's older.
yeah, she is. Maybe she.
Oh,
See, Her hair, it's all white now, but in here we can still see a little black and white. You don't know how to say it, she? You don't know how to say the differences? Okay, what about in here? Look at the boy. In the first picture, what can you say, she?
The boy is dance.
The boy is?
In picture two, I think the boy uh
He is
is
naughty.
uh the boy is young.
The boy is younger?
Oh, mm, the boy is dance.
Yeah, the boy is dancing. The boy is naughty, she.
Nghịch ngợm.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, he is being naughty in the second picture because we have here a family portrait, she. Do you have a family portrait, she? Do you
Yes,
have a family portrait?
Bạn có ảnh gia đình không?
yes, a big portrait in my living room.
Do you take a family portrait every year, she?
Mm, no, some week.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's really nice, she. Now that would be all it for our class, she. So I will see you again on Wednesday. Thank you, she. Goodbye, she.
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you.
Goodbye.